Hey guys, sorry for the chaos that is happening outside. It is a very windy day in Perth, so I do apologise for that. What we have here is a Mistral MCFA 48-inch ceiling fan. I actually acquired this ceiling fan from another fan collector named Lachlan. He's quite a popular Australian fan collector on YouTube now. He got these and I think 2 or 3 others, as well as an SMC GEC 36-inch ceiling fan for me, from a demolition house in South Australia, because that's where he's from. It's from a demolition house that was built in the 60s, and I pointed out the advertisement to him and asked if he could get that SMC GEC 36-inch ceiling fan. He also got a few lights as well. I think they were Kempthorne lights, and yeah, I think there were about at least 3 of these ceiling fans in that house. He got one for me, and I think he got one for a couple of other fan collectors as well. This one is the Style 1 variation, so it's a variable one with a variable speed controller, which is right here. Yeah. As you can see, it is pretty different and similar to the MCFA series. But the most obvious difference is that it is non-light kit adaptable, because it doesn't have a nut on the bottom, so you can't put a light on this. A few other differences to point out is that these are non-reversible. I'm not sure if they ever made a reversible one, but I don't think so. However, if someone can point out to me if they did make a reversible variant, that'll be great, but I don't think there was a reversible model. A few other differences to point out is that on the lower canopy, it's actually got a sticker labeled Mistralaire, which MCFA lathes did not have. Another difference as well is that the 48 and 56-inch models of the MCFA lathes actually had like a groove coming from the inner side of the blade running into where the blade is mounted on the motor. The MCFAs did not have that, so it was just, yeah, there was no groove at all on the blades. You'll see that in my MCFA 56-inch I've got, which I already made a video of. It's got those grooves on the inner side of the blades. So yeah. Oh, what was I going to say? Now because it's a variable speed fan, we're going to do the video format a bit different today. I'm actually going to be filming like speeds of it like all in one hit, because since it's a variable speed fan, there's no like fixed speeds, and as a result, it'd probably be hard to tell like when it comes to me editing it, like when I actually increase the speed of it or change the speed of it, because there's no sound or anything like that coming from the switch to indicate that I have changed speed. So yeah, we're just gonna do it that way for this video. Anyway, let's get to it. We'll start on low. It takes a bit for it to get up to speed. I think they also made these in brown, which are quite rare, and I think there was a brown and I think a white model of MCFA that actually had 3 wood blades, but they actually weren't the ones made by Mistral. They actually they were TAT blades, like ones you see on some of the TAT fans at the time. for the spin down video, since it's got a very long spin down, which these are very well known for, I am going to be filming another segment of it and adding it to the video. There'll be a separate segment for spin down time. So yeah, that's slow speed. All right, we'll take it up a notch. Probably around about low medium, sort of, around about there. Probably take it up a bit notch. I don't think there's a noticeable difference. Probably around about there. I'd say that these fans, I think, were from the early to mid 80s. And I think they're also available. You could actually get two types of controls for them that these were available in. They either had the variable speed controller, which this one is, or they had a standard 5-speed controller. I think that might be the style too, but I'm not entirely sure. All right, we'll increase the speed a bit. It's going on to medium, or medium-ish, I think, or what I think is medium. In terms of the orientational position of that switch, looks to be approximately medium. All right, we'll increase the speed a bit again. Okay, so this is effectively approximately medium now in terms of the RPMs. What would be a typical medium speed for a 48-inch industrial based fan. It's already pushing out a good breeze. I mean, these fans are no slouch when it comes to performance. These type of Mistral fans have always been really good when it comes to performance and air movement. All right, we'll probably take it up to medium high, about there. Also, the wind is also why I have the roller door closed over there. Closed, yeah. It's because it's very windy and all the wind is coming in here. So, yeah. Anyways, we'll take it up to full blast. Since this fan is non-reversible, I've actually stated that earlier, there's no reverse part to this video. In terms of performance, it's actually really good. It's very quiet, especially on a variable speed control, and it's pushing out a great deal amount of air. I do like these. These are really good fans. And I think, if not all, most other Australian fan collectors can attest to me on this. Anyways, we'll head over to the spin down segment now, which will probably take half a century, which these fans are really well known for, as I stated earlier.